Welcome to BioVita Lab, where science meets longevity. Today we're talking about something that quietly shapes every part of your life, aging. Not just getting older, but aging faster than you should. Because here's the truth. Most people are not aging naturally. They're accelerating the process without even realizing it. Look around. Two people, same age. One looks vibrant and sharp, the other tired and frail. Same number of years, completely different biology. That's because chronological age, the number on your birthday cake, is not the same as your biological age. And right now, scientists are discovering that millions of us are aging biologically 5, 10, even 15 years faster than our calendars say. But why? What's silently pushing your cells to break down faster than nature intended? Let's start inside your body. Every one of your cells carries a biological clock, and it's written in your DNA. At the end of your DNA strands sit protective caps called telomeres. Think of them as the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get a little shorter. When they become too short, your cells can no longer divide. They age, malfunction, or die. That's one of the main reasons your skin wrinkles, your energy fades, and your organs lose efficiency. It's not time doing this to you. It's cellular wear and tear. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not your genes that are speeding this up. It's your environment. Poor sleep, chronic stress, ultra-processed food, pollution, lack of movement. All these signals tell your cells we're under attack. And your biology responds exactly as it should by switching into survival mode. That means less repair, more inflammation, less growth, more defense. The longer you stay in that mode, the faster your biological clock ticks. You've probably heard of oxidative stress, but what does that actually mean? Every cell in your body constantly produces energy, and that process releases unstable molecules called free radicals. They're like sparks flying off a fire. Normally, your body neutralizes them with antioxidants. But when you're exposed to too much stress, whether emotional, chemical, or environmental, those sparks build up. They start to burn your DNA, your proteins, your cell membranes. It's silent. You can't feel it happening. But over time, that invisible damage accelerates aging in every organ you have. Now let's go even deeper to your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. They produce the energy that keeps you alive, but they also create those same damaging free radicals. When your lifestyle overworks your mitochondria through lack of sleep, poor diet, constant stress, or inactivity, they start to fail. And when mitochondria fail, your cells lose power, your metabolism slows, and your repair systems collapse. That's when you start to feel older. Fatigue, brain fog, slower recovery, weaker immunity. You're not just tired. Your cells are literally running out of energy. Here's the paradox of modern life. We live longer than ever, but we're aging faster. Our technology, our diets, even our constant connectivity create the illusion of progress, while quietly eroding our biology. Blue light late at night disrupts your circadian rhythm. Cortisol, the stress hormone, stays elevated for hours. And most people now spend 90% of their lives indoors, cut off from sunlight, fresh air, and natural cycles that regulate aging. We've built a lifestyle that's incompatible with our evolutionary design, and your cells are paying the price. If you're enjoying this breakdown of the real science behind human longevity, subscribe to BioVitaLab for more insights on how to live longer, think sharper, and feel stronger. Because understanding your biology is the first step to taking control of it. Here's the good news. You can slow and even reverse much of this biological aging. Studies show that simple daily habits can reprogram your epigenetic markers, literally changing how your genes express themselves. In one 8-week study, Participants who improved their sleep, diet, and exercise showed an average biological age reversal of over 3 years. 3 years in just 2 months. And that's because your cells are listening to everything you do, eat, think, and feel. Your biology is not fixed. It's responsive, it's adaptive, and it's waiting for better instructions. There are 3 main signals that determine your rate of aging. Inflammation, your body's response to stress or poor diet. Metabolic dysfunction, when your cells lose control of energy use. Hormetic stress, small beneficial stressors like fasting, cold, or heat. The first 2 accelerate aging. The third one can slow it down, if used correctly. The key is balance. You want enough challenge to trigger growth, but not so much that your body burns out. It's not about fighting aging. It's about teaching your body how to adapt to life's stress more intelligently. Longevity isn't about immortality. It's about resilience. Your body doesn't want eternal youth. It wants stability. It wants coherence between your environment and your biology. When you align your sleep, nutrition, movement, and mindset with what your biology expects, aging slows. You don't just live longer, you stay functional, curious, and connected to life itself. That's real longevity. At BioVitaLab, we believe the secret to longevity isn't found in a pill, a supplement, or a miracle hack. It's in the daily choices that send messages to your DNA. Because aging is not your enemy. It's your body's feedback system, reminding you to realign, rebuild, and return to balance. So take care of the small things, your sleep, your movement, your thoughts, and your biology will take care of the rest.